Hello and welcome to Clint's Corner. Last week's episode got a lot of good reviews. One viewer even said to me, "I love Clint's Corner so much this week, I even watched it all the way till the end." That's praise indeed, as it only lasts about 2 minutes per episode. It was great having Hannah in Clint's Corner last week. I thought I might do another mystery guest slot sometime. However, Hannah's appearance fee of a Greg's pizza slice, a packet of chocolate hobnobs and a Diet Coke has wiped out my entire budget for the whole of October. Today we're going to look at how our factory is ideally set up to run short orders and large format boxes. If you are a startup business or a company with limited storage space, short orders could be an ideal solution for you. It means you don't have to lay out a lot of money on boxes to start with or sit on vast amounts of stock boxes for a long period of time. Our machinery can make large format boxes, including pallet boxes and ox bins, without any cutting tools. However, if the boxes are too large for our standard machines, we can also have the capability to cut these on a large roller press die cutter. Hopefully this will give you an insight into how quickly and easily we can fulfill your box requirements. If you'd like any information, please contact us. Next week we shall be looking at different board grades. See you then.